Hello, my friend, we meet again. It's been a while, where should we begin? Feels like forever. Within my heart are memories of perfect love that you gave to me. Oh, I remember when you are with me, I'm free, I'm careless, I believe. Above all the others, we'll fly. This brings tears to my eyes, my sacrifice.
I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him and I saw myself.
I bet he's really frightened now.
We've seen our share of ups and downs. Oh, how quickly life can turn around in an instant. It feels so good to reunite within yourself and within your mind. Let's find peace there. When you are with me, I'm free, I'm careless, I believe. Above all the others, we'll fly. This brings tears into my eyes, my sacrifice.
He always said he'd become the strongest of them all. And he was right. You have the heart of a chief and the soul of a dragon. Only you can bring our worlds together. That is who you are, son.
Hello, my friend, we meet again. It's been a while, where should we begin? Feels like forever.